One of the top organization actions and program actions is add a student. To add a student or group of students, go to moment.com and tap Login. If you are already logged in, you will land on My Organizations page. In this case, Rachel is the admin of Redwood Grove and Redwood Grove Summer. By tapping the Admin Dashboard button, she lands on the organization dashboard for Redwood Grove Summer. Under the organization actions, she can choose to add student. In the Add Student pop-up, she has two options: to upload CSV file or add single student. Uploading a CSV file is the easiest way to add a group of students to your program. You can download a sample spreadsheet, which you can populate with the first name and last name of the student, as well as the email address, first name, and last name of the primary caregiver, who tends to be the parent. Once the spreadsheet is populated, tap Upload CSV File, choose the document, and then you will land on the CSV summary, which gives you the number of students that will be uploaded, as well as their first name, last name, and the email address of the primary caregiver. Each of these fields can be edited in case there are any changes to be made. On the CSV summary, you must add or confirm a class that the students will be added to. Then tap the orange Add Students and send confirmation emails. If you want to confirm that the students have been added to the class, you will land on the organization dashboard. Simply go to your programs, go to the program that you had chosen to add the students, and then under the Students tab, tap on Invited. You will see the list of students, their caregivers, as well as the dates and the time that the last reminder was sent. If you want to send an additional reminder, you can select each of the students and resend invitation. Once the parents confirm that the student is in the class, these invited students will move over to the Enrolled tab. If you go back to the organization dashboard, the alternative way to add a student is to simply tap on the program in which you want to add the student, and under Program Actions, tap Add Student.